tax changes for 2025. Yeah, I know I got you guys covered for the 2025 tax year. First tip, the income tax brackets, they're a little bit higher. So I would keep real close to that just so you're sure and you're aware of what your tax benefits look like and what your tax liability would look like. So of course, it went up slightly. So if your income changed just a little bit, I would definitely factor in the tax bracket change. The second thing, the standard deduction did increase as well in 2025. The deduction increased to $14,600 for single filers, and married couples, that went up to $21,900. And if you're filing jointly, the deduction rose to $29,200. Itemized deductions, for the most part, it stayed the same. IRA and the 401k limits are slightly higher. I believe a 401k, it used to be $6,000, now it's $7,000. And if you're age 50 or older, you also qualify to make an additional $1,000 called a catch-up contribution. And with Roth IRA, the Roth 401k, have increased to $23,000. And of course, if you're over the age of 50, then you'll qualify to make an additional $7,500 catch-up contribution for that tax year as well. You can also save a little bit more in your HSA. The maximum now you can contribute is $4,150 for an individual, and it's $8,300 for a family. And if you're older than 55, then you can contribute an extra $1,000. Don't skip out on the child tax credit. That can definitely give you a tax break. So if you qualify, use it in 2025. The child tax credit was $2,000 per child if you were 17 years or younger, and they're starting to phase it out if you make a certain amount of money over $400,000 if you're joint and $200,000 if you're a single filer. Then the alternative minimum tax exemption is a bit higher. That's with the Tax Cuts and Job Acts. I would definitely look into that. And the estate tax exemption is higher as well. Those are just some of the changes for the 2025 tax year that I don't want you to miss out on. Follow me for more tips and let me help you free your life.